The 2020 Saskatchewan general election was held on October 26, 2020 to elect members of the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan. This date is set by Saskatchewan's fixed election date law. The writ was dropped on September 29 just in time to hold the election on October 26. The previous election re-elected the Saskatchewan Party to its third consecutive majority government under the leadership of Brad Wall. On August 10, 2017, Wall announced his resignation as leader, pending the election of his successor. On January 27, 2018, Scott Moe was elected leader of the Saskatchewan Party. He was appointed and sworn in as premier on February 2. Since 2010, the Legislative Assembly has had a fixed four-year term. According to the 2019 amendment to the Legislative Assembly Act, 2007, the first general election after the coming into force of this subsection must be held on Monday, October 26, 2020. However, the Act also provides that, if the election period would overlap with a federal election period, the provincial election is to be postponed until the first Monday of the following April, in this case, April 5, 2021. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.